at work, or at play. You can bring everything you need with you while keeping your Toyota's cargo area safe from spills and scuffs with an innovative new Toyota-approved cargo liner accessory. Available only from Toyota, it gives your Toyota's cargo area the maximum protection you need without sacrificing any versatility. Designed and manufactured in Halifax, Nova Scotia, this innovative new accessory is available through your dealer. The textured surface keeps your valuables stable in the cargo area, and its unique honeycomb design adds form and rigidity to the cargo liner surface. The cargo liner's integrated living hinge gives you added flexibility so that the liner continues to protect your Toyota when the rear seats are up, split, or folded all the way down. This unique split cargo liner design allows multiple configurations while maintaining the full functionality of your seating. This is a major improvement over a one-piece cargo liner that would have to be removed if you needed to use the rear seats. When installed, the cargo liner attaches directly to the back of the seating with multiple Velcro fasteners. This keeps the cargo liner in place and protects your seat backs from dirt and wear and tear. The cargo liner also features a raised rim lip to keep spills limited to the cargo liner area. And if you do have a spill, it's easy to clean. Just wipe it up using soapy water, give it a rinse, and let it air dry. The flexible cargo liner allows for easy access to tire jack and in-floor storage areas where applicable. So whether you're taking a trip to the hardware store, the grocery store, or packing up the kids for a weekend away, your goods will be kept safe and sound with your cargo liner accessory from Toyota. See your Toyota dealer for more information.